Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to another post-market analysis brought to you by Coinfinity, and we are going to go over this week price action and see how we actually played out. So starting with the DXY, remember in the midweek analysis, rather, we are anticipating to see some form of reaction on DXY at this level, at this weekly fair value gap, but up to date we have not seen a solid push up. All right, we have not seen a solid push up, but we've seen slightly some form of rejection. All right, so we saw that this Thursday candle dipped back into this gap between Monday's candle and Tuesday candle, and then close higher. So this should be some form of strength on the DXY, which means the euro should be weaker and GBP should be weaker, right? So we actually called this out on Tuesday, right? Looking for price to show some form of rejection of this area. So you can see this 4-hour candle right here that dipped into this gap but did not close inside of that gap, and then we see this other 4-hour candle overlapping this down close candle, right? So it's breaking above, and we also have another gap over here. All right, so this should be our next draw on liquidity going further into next week. All right, but we've seen that this week did not do pretty much. We just came on Monday, went lower and broke above this high. So this is a break of market structure, and we have seen a short-term retracement and another push upward. All right, so this was actually what we were looking to get. Remember when we called out price coming into this area and giving some form of shift in market structure, right? So we have that shift now. We have that retracement into this breaker block and this other block right here, and now we should look for that momentum upside. All right, so it is showing us that price is clearly respecting this weekly fair value gap, and into next week and other weeks we should be seeing higher prices on the DXY. All right, so the opposite would be what we would be expecting for Euro USD. All right, so we see that price has done the same thing above this old high and into another block right here. All right, but the most important thing is that it has taken out liquidity, it has shifted market structure, and we have seen that price came in to rebalance this 4-hour fair value gap, tapped into the consequent encroachment and traded lower. So this is showing us bearish signal, and we should be anticipating to look for more sales coming into next week. All right, we have these levels here that we can look as our target objective and hold for. So if you're in a position, you might want to hold onto these targets and take out your partial profit and look to add more shorts into this sell that is going to be happening, because this is going to be a great opportunity to sell this Euro USD and also GBP USD. All right, so this will be it for the post-market analysis. What we were expecting has actually not completely played out, but then we'll be expecting next week to continue with what we have been looking at for this week. All right, so until I come your way again next week, remember to always trade well and trade safe.